Let's start Lesson 1, Good Habits. Good habits make you successful in your life. Early to bed and early to rise. Respect your elders. Brush your teeth after each meal. Finish your homework before playing. Wash your hands when you eat. Put your toys neatly after playing. Throw waste things in dustbin. These are some good habits you must follow to become a good person. Let's start Lesson 2, First Aid Box. Things that must be included in your home first aid box. Write their name by using help box. Help box. Thermometer, scissors, bandages, medication, antiseptic cream, cotton, pain relief spray. 1. Bandages. 2. Pain relief spray. 3. Antiseptic cream. 4. Cotton. 5. Thermometer. 6. Medication. 7. Scissors. Let's start Lesson 3, Crosswords. Help Reena to complete the crossword with the help of the clues given below. Down. 1. You cut me at birthday parties. Cake. 2. I live in water. Fish. 3. Hens lay it. Egg. 5. Meat from a pig. Pork. 6. Eve gave one to Adam. Apple. Across. 1. Many people drink me at morning. Coffee. 4. British people drink it at 5 o'clock. Tea. 5. Juicy round fruit with a stone-like seed. Peach. 7. You make wine from the fruit. Grape. 8. You make lemonade from this fruit. Lemon. Let's start Lesson 4, Childhood Rhymes. Look at these pictures from your favorite rhymes. Match the pictures with the correct rhymes. 1. E. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. 2. D. Jack and Jill. 3. B. Ringa Ringa Roses. 4. A. Hickory Dickory Dock. 5. D. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. 6. C. Humpty Dumpty. Let's start Lesson 5 for book lovers. Here are some wonderful books you would love to read. James and the Giant Peach is an adventure story of a 4-year-old boy James by the famous children's author Roald Dahl. James was an orphaned boy who wanted to make friends. He begins an adventurous journey with the help of a giant peach and make friends at the end of his journey. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain is a story about Tom, a naughty boy who always seemed to get into trouble. The Rusty series by Ruskin Bond is a series of stories about the growing up of an Anglo-Indian boy who lives in the valley of Dehradun in India. The stories are about Rusty's meetings are with interesting people and his unusual experiences. My Family and Other Animals is a book about the childhood adventures of Gerald Durrell, who wrote these stories himself. This book also tells about the animal life of Corfu Island where Gerald lived. Malgudi Days is a collection of short stories by R.K. Narayan. It is about Swami and his group of friends who live in the small Indian town of Malgudi. The stories have also been made into popular TV stories. Can you imagine living all alone on an island? Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe is the story of a man who spent 28 years alone on an island after his ship sank at the sea. Let's do ourselves. Can you identify these characters from famous storybooks? A. This is the story of an elephant who hears a small speck of dust talking to him one day. He then discovers that the speck of dust is actually a tiny planet home to a town called Whoville. Name the elephant. Horton. B. This story by Roald Dahl is about a young girl who is gifted with magical powers, but her parents ignore their daughter's skill and think she is foolish. Who is this young girl? Matilda. C. This person in Jonathan Swift's novel reaches a strange island after his ship sinks at sea. On the island, he finds himself a prisoner of people who are only 6 inches tall. Who is he? Lemuel Gulliver. D. Anna Sewell wrote a story of a horse who lives in England and the difficulties he faces while growing up. What is the horse's name? Black Beauty. E. Lewis Carroll in this wonderful story takes a girl into a land of tea parties and talking rabbits. What is the girl's name? Alice, Queen of Hearts. Let's start Lesson 6, Cartoon Network. Read the clues and write the name of cartoons by using Help Box. Help Box, Ben 10, Tom and Jerry, Doraemon, Mr. Bean, Dora the Explorer, Chhota Bheem. 1. This is an American educational animated TV series created by Chris Gifford. Dora the Explorer. 2. It's the classic tale of cat and mouse, Tom and Jerry. 3. It's British sitcom television, Mr. Bean. 4. It is an American media franchise created by Man of Action, Ben 10. 5. It's premiered in 2008, first time on Pogo TV, Chhota Bheem. 6. It is Japanese manga series written and illustrated by Fujiko Fujio, Doraemon. Let's start Lesson 7, Bollywood Stars. Look at the pictures and tick right on correct name of celebrities. 1. Amitabh Bachchan. 2. Amir Khan. 3. Salman Khan. 4. Madhuri Dixit. 5. Ranbir Kapoor. 6. Katrina Kaif. 7. Priyanka Chopra. 8. Hema Malini. 9. Shah Rukh Khan. Let's start Lesson 8, Indoor and Outdoor Games. There are some games which we play outside the home. They are called outdoor games. Look at the pictures and write the name of the games in the given boxes. Use Help Box. Help Box, cricket, boxing, badminton, hockey, football, volleyball, basketball, shooting, swimming. 1. Hockey. 2. Badminton. 3. Volleyball. 4. Boxing. 5. Football. 6. Cricket. 7. Basketball. 8. Shooting. 9. Swimming. Some games which we play inside the home are called indoor games. Match the following games with their name. 1. C. Chess. 2. B. Ludo. 3. A. Snakes and ladders. 4. B. Carom. 5. F. Table tennis. 6. E. Snooker. Let's start lesson 9, how to play cricket. There are some types of equipment generally needed to play cricket. Use crayons to circle their names in the grid. Help box. Bat. Ball. Batting pad. Gloves. Shoes. Helmet. Look at the picture and write their names. 1. Helmet. 2. Bat. 3. Ball. 4. Batting pad. 5. Stumps. 6. Gloves. 7. Shoes. Let's start lesson 10, famous sports personalities. Do you know these are some famous sports personalities? Write the first letter of their names in the boxes to name them. Use help box. Help box. Lionel Messi, Vishwanathan Anand, Sachin Tendulkar, McMary Com, Pankaj Advani, Saina Nehwal, Vijay Kumar, Sania Mirza. 1. Sachin Tendulkar, S. 2. Sania Mirza, S. 3. McMary Com, M. 4. Vishwanathan Anand, V. 5. Saina Nehwal, S. 6. Lionel Messi, L. 7. Vijay Kumar, V. 8. Pankaj Advani, P. For you. Vishwanathan Anand is an Indian chess master. He learned to play chess from his mother when he was 6 years old. Let's start lesson 11, Commonwealth Games. In the Commonwealth Games 2014, India finished 5th with 15 gold medals. England was number 1 with 58 gold medals and Australia on second position with 49 gold medals. Here is a list of some gold medalists in Commonwealth Games 2014 from different sports events. Name them with the help of clues. 1. She is an British professional triathlete, Jodie Stimson. 2. She is a Canadian rhythmic gymnast, Patrika Bezobenko. 3. He is an Indian badminton player, Parupalli Kashyap. 4. He is an Indian athlete, Vikas Shivegoda. Help box. Sultana Frizzell, Parupalli Kashyap, Kimberly McClay, Benjamin Proud, Jodie Stimson, Shelley Watts, Jitu Rai, Vikas Shivegowda, Satish Shivalingam, Patrika Bezobenko. 5. She is a Canadian athlete, Sultana Frizzell. 6. She is an Australian javelin thrower from Australia, Kimberly Mickle. 7. She is an Australian boxer, Shelley Watts. 8. He is an Indian weightlifter, Satish Shivalingam. 9. He is an Indian shooter, Jitu Rai. 10. He is a British swimmer, Benjamin Proud. Let's start lesson 12, world records. Answer these questions from the help box. Help box. Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport. The Nile, Mount Everest, the Nyang Kunchan Grand Bridge, Angel Falls, Pacific Ocean. 1. Which is the world's highest mountain? Mount Everest. 2. Which is the world's busiest airport? Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport. 3. Name the world's longest river. The Nile. 4. Which is the world's longest bridge? The Nyang Kunchan Grand Bridge. 5. Which is the world's highest waterfall? Angel Falls. 6. Which is the world's largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Let's start Lesson 13, Places to See. India is a beautiful land on the earth. It has got many places to see. You must have visited some places. Can you tell where they are built? Take help from the help box. 1. It's also known as National Capital Territory of India, Delhi. 2. It is the capital of the Indian state of Rajasthan, Jaipur. 3. It is a prominent destination on the World Tourism Map with 3 heritage monuments, Agra. 4. It is located mostly in the Himalayan mountains, Kashmir. Help box. Goa, Agra, Darjeeling, Amritsar, Delhi, Kashmir, Jaipur, Haridwar. 5. It is the smallest state of India and is known for its exotic beaches with amazing sunset, Goa. 6. It is known as Queen of the Hills, Darjeeling. 7. It is located in the state of Uttarakhand, Haridwar. 8. It is the last city in the Punjab state of India, Amritsar. For you, around 20,000 people worked day and night for 22 years to complete construction of the Taj Mahal. Let's start Lesson 14, Famous Women of the World. Here are some famous women who played an important role to change the world. Look at the pictures and name them. 1. Indira Gandhi. 2. Mother Teresa. 3. Mary Magdalene. 4. Marie Curie. 5. Rosa Parks. 6. Rani Lakshmi Bai. 7. Kalpana Chawla. 8. Annie Besant. 9. Sarojini Naidu. Help box. Madeleine Albright, Edith Wharton, Sunetra Gupta, Marie Curie, Mother Teresa, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Annie Besant, Rosa Parks, Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Helena Rubinstein, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, Kalpana Chawla, Mary Magdalene, Eleanor Roosevelt. 10. Sunetra Gupta. 11. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. 12. Madeleine Albright. 13. Helena Rubinstein. 14. Edith Wharton. 15. Eleanor Roosevelt. Let's start Lesson 15, Capital Cities. Read the clues and write the name of the cities. 1. This is the capital of India. This was the main venue for the 2010 Commonwealth Games, CWG. This is New Delhi. 2. This is the capital of Bangladesh, located on the Buriganga River in the heart of the Bengal Delta. This is Dhaka. 3. This is the capital of Japan, This has been described as one of the three command centers for the world economy along with New York City and London. Tokyo. 4. This is the capital and the most populous city of France. It is situated on the Seine River in the north of the country. Paris. 5. This is the capital of United States of America. White House is the popular place in this city. Washington DC. Let's start lesson 16, countries and currencies. Match the different currency notes to their places. 1. Taka, H, Bangladesh. 2. Riyal, F, Saudi Arabia. 3. Pakistani rupee, D, Pakistan. 4. Euro, C, Europe. 5. Rupee, B, India. 6. Pound, A, UK. 7. Yen, G, Japan. 8. Dollar, E, USA. Let's start lesson 17, being eco-friendly. Color in green the circle who are eco-friendly and in red the circle next to those who are not. 1. Tap water run while brush your teeth. Red color. 2. Some soaps and cosmetics are tested on animals and they hurt the animals, so do not use those. Green color. 3. Use only paper and jute bags. They can be recycled, so they do not pollute the earth. Green color. 4. It's yummy. I love junk food. Red color. 5. Let's throw the trash in the water. Red color. 6. Donate your old clothes and toys so that they can be recycled and reused. Green color. 7. I like plucking the leaves and flowers from trees all the time. Trees will grow new leaves and flowers. Red color. 8. I like taking a bucket bath instead of a shower. This way I waste less water. Green color. Let's start lesson 18, famous kings of India. India is probably one of the richest countries in the world in terms of its history and heritage, in terms of rulers and ruling clans. Let us look at some of the greatest kings of India. Read the clues and write the name of king by using help box. 1. He was a Hindu Rajput ruler of Mewar. Maharana Pratap. 2. He was born at Ajmer in 1149 AD. Prithviraj Chauhan. 3. He was the grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. Ashoka. 4. He was the third and one of the greatest rulers of the Mughal dynasty in India. Akbar. Help box. Prithviraj Chauhan, Akbar, Maharana Pratap, Ashoka. Let's start lesson 19, Rivers of India. Read the clues given below and identify the correct name of the river. 1. It is the most sacred river to Hindus and it begins at the confluence of the Bhagirathi and Alaknanda rivers at Devprayag. B. Ganga River. 2. This river rises from the Yamunotri glacier at the Banderpunch peak in the Uttarkashi district of Uttaranchal. A. Yamuna River. 3. This river starts in the western state of Maharashtra and flows through the southern state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh before reaching the Bay of Bengal. A. Godavari River. 4. This is the longest of the 5 rivers that flow through the historic crossroads region of Punjab in northern India and Pakistan. B. Satluj River. 5. It is a trans-boundary river of India and Pakistan. A. Ravi River. 6. This is one of the biggest rivers of Gujarat. A. Godavari River. Let's start lesson 20, Knowing India. India is known for its cities. Every city is unique in its own sense. Identify the pictures of famous things of India and write their names. Take the help from help box. Help box: Munnar, Udaipur, Ooty, Jaipur, Bangalore, Taj Mahal, Agra, Kerala, Pushkar. 1. This white marble monument attracts thousands of tourists from all over the world. Taj Mahal, Agra. 2. It is a land of great natural beauty situated in South India. It is synonymous with azure backwater, exotic wildlife, wonderful art forms, and lush hill stations. Kerala. 3. This is the best hill station of coffee plantations in India. Munnar. 4. It is one of the holiest cities of India. It has only Brahma temple in the world. Pushkar. 5. This is the land of lakes in the desert. It is also known as City of Lakes. Udaipur. 6. It is also known as Udhagamandalam. It is the queen of hill stations and the capital of Nilgiris district. Ooty. 7. It is one of the most sought out city for professionals in India. Bangalore. 8. It is Palace of Winds and constructed of red and pink. Jaipur. Let's start lesson 21, National Leaders of India. Do you know these national leaders of India? Write the correct letter in the given boxes to name them. Take help from help box. Help box: Indira Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi. 1. M. Mahatma Gandhi. 2. J. Jawaharlal Nehru. 3. B. Bhagat Singh. 4. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 5. B. Bhimrao Ambedkar. 6. I. Indira Gandhi. 7. S. Subhash Chandra Bose. For you, Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi's father, was a leader of India's nationalist movement and became India's first Prime Minister after its independence. Let's start lesson 22, Indian meals. Each Indian state has a special dish of its own. Name the dishes of different states. Help box: Dal Bati Churma, Dhokla, Assami Thali, Rogan Josh, Makki ki Roti and Saag. 1. Rogan Josh. 2. Makki ki Roti and Saag. 3. Dal Bati Churma. 5. Assami Thali. 4. Dhokla. Let's start lesson 23, Famous Singers of India. Match the right singing personality with the right picture. 1. C. Alka Yagnik. 2. A. Kishore Kumar. 3. B. A.R. Rahman. 4. B. Lata Mangeshkar. 5. E. Shankar Mahadevan. 6. G. Rahul Dev Burman. 7. J. Shreya Ghoshal. 8. F. Sunidhi Chauhan. 9. I. Asha Bhosle. 10. H. Sonu Nigam. For you, Shreya Ghoshal is a Hindi singer, but she also sings in other Indian languages including Bengali, Gujarati, Odia, Tamil, Assami, Kannada, Bhojpuri, Nepali, Telugu, Marathi and let's start lesson 24 musically your. Take the correct music words. 1. People who play music are called B. Musicians. 2. The words of a song are called B. Lyrics. 3. Zakir Hussain plays the A. Tabla. 4. Violin is also known as C. Fiddle. 5. A group that plays together is a B. Band. C. Bismillah Khan plays the A. Shehnai. For you, Qureshi Allah Rakha Khan was an Indian tabla player. Let's start lesson 25 Dances of India. Match the following pictures with correct dance form. 1. C. Bhangra. 2. A. Kathakali. 3. B. Kuchipudi. 6. D. Manipuri. 4. E. Kathak. 5. F. Bharatnatyam. Let's start lesson 26 Famous Dancers of India. Here are some famous dancers of India. Identify the pictures and name them. Take help from help box. Help box. Yamini Krishnamurthy, Shobna Narayan, Padma Subramanyam, Sonal Mansingh, Pandit Birju Maharaj, Chitra Vishwaswaran. 1. Padma Subramanyam. 2. Sonal Mansingh. 3. Shobna Narayan. 4. Yamini Krishnamurthy. 5. Pandit Birju Maharaj. 6. Chitra Vishwaswaran. For you, Pandit Birju Maharaj has won several honors and awards, including the coveted Padma Vibhushan in 1986. Let's start lesson 27 Bird. Here are some pictures of birds. Identify the birds and match their names with the picture. 1. D. Woodpecker. 2. E. Mockingbird. 3. B. Duck. 4. A. Kingfisher. 5. F. Bulbul. 6. G. Cuckoo. 7. C. Hummingbird. For you, woodpeckers are found in wooded area in forest all over the world. Let's start lesson 28 Useful plants. A. Take the correct answer. 1. We get different fruits, vegetables and flowers from A. Plants. 2. Neem tree is used to make different B. Medicines. 3. We get banana fruits from C. Banana tree. 4. Chocolate is from the seeds or beans of the B. Cocoa tree. 5. Neem twigs are used to brush B. Teeth. 6. Which is the national tree of India? B. Banyan tree. B. Fill in the blanks. Take help from help box. Help box. Willow tree, cosmetics, bamboo, butter, furniture. 1. Dash is one of the fastest growing plants on earth. Bamboo. 2. The trunk of a coconut tree is used to make dash furniture. 3. The popular medicine aspirin is made using extracts from the dash willow tree. 4. Cocoa beans produce cocoa dash which is used to make medicines and dash butter cosmetics. Let's start lesson 29, reading the weather. Fill in the blanks to use this weather chart. One has been done for you. 1. Monday. Today was cold. We had a cricket match at school. 2. Tuesday. Today it was dash. I thought it would rain. Cloudy. 3. Wednesday. Today was a dash day. When I came back from school, I had fun floating paper boats. Rainy. 4. Thursday. There was a dash today. In the evening, I saw that many trees had fallen down. Thunderstorm. 5. Friday. It was very dash today. A funny thing happened on my way to school. Windy. 6. Saturday. It was dash, but on Sunday it was dash again, so I went for a shopping with parents. Cloudy. Sunny. Let's start lesson 31, scientific instruments. Look at the pictures of instruments given below and write the name of their inventors. Use help box. Help box. Thomas Alva Edison, Alfred Nobel, James Watt, Wright brothers, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, Hans Lippershey, Alexander Graham Bell. For you, Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman. Let's start lesson 32, gadgets. These are some pictures of gadgets. Can you name them? Take help from help box. Help box. Laptop, camera, DVD player, tablet, video camera. Let's start lesson 33, 5 sense organ. We all have 5 sense organs. Look at the pictures and name the given sense organs. 1. See, eyes. 2. Smell, nose. 3. Listen, ears. 4. Feel, skin. 5. Taste, tongue. For you, the human nose has 2 nostrils. Teacher's note. Discuss with the students about the different sense organs and their function. Let's start lesson 34, No More Earth. When an entire species or type of animals dies out, that species become extinct. Once a species become extinct, it is gone forever. Dinosaurs first appeared on Earth about 252 million years ago. Some scientists believe that they died out when a large rock from the space hit the Earth and thick dust blocked the large rock from the space and thick dust blocked the large rock from the space and dust blocked the space and thick dust the large rock from the space thick dust blocked the and thick dust blocked the large rock from the space rock from the and thick dust blocked the large rock from the space years ago. Some and thick dust blocked the